All right, so to talk about which one is a good definition here, so you kind of got to think of all these different pieces, those three things. Is it precise? Is it reversible? And is it already like a clearly understood thing? So dogs are animals with four paws. Okay, so we know everything here. It's pretty specific. The only thing we have to check is it biconditional. So then I would say animals with four paws are dogs. Well, they could be cats. So I just kind of write that. So this is not good. So it's not this one. Not A. Squares have four sides. Well, same thing. We need to see if the biconditional works. So if there's any other shape that has four sides, well, I think of a rectangle. So the biconditional does not work, so that does not work. Tuesday is the day before Wednesday. Well, if we look at it, that one's specific. That one is something that we all know, and it looks like that works, that biconditional. So the day before Wednesday is Tuesday, and Tuesday is the day before Wednesday. So this one is a good definition. That's this one right here. Let's go ahead and let's look at the last one just for fun. And Q angle has a small measure. Well, the key that jumps out here is this word small. We can't have that, so this is not a good definition. The only good one is the third one.